New to the channel? What's up? My name is Cleveland and I worked as a professional trader and analyst for 6 years. And now I'm here to bring you my daily insights on business, capital markets, finance, and more. Enjoy the video and welcome to the channel.
Yo, what's up guys? Cleveland here. I wanted to make this quick video because a lot of you guys ask me why I don't use Forex Factory, and it's kind of for noobs a little bit. It's cool because of course you have the economic calendar here, but I looked on SimilarWeb and 95% of Forex Factory's traffic is just to this one page. And you can find these economic calendars anywhere. If you guys want to do better fundamental research and understand deeper what's happening in each individual economy, I would check out Trading Economics. And I'm going to do you guys a quick little comparison as to why. Well, first of all, of course, it's cool. You got all your leading indicators or economic releases coming out here. Monetary policy heads are speaking, and that's all good and great. But this isn't technically fundamental analysis. This is the news. And if anybody knows when it comes to fundamentals, well, it's called buy the rumor, sell the news. This is already coming out, so you can't really make great trading decisions based off of these releases. Unlike here on Trading Economics, do they have a calendar? They do. It's really, really great. They give you great data. It's very well represented. And another thing is, I like the fact that when you click in, it kind of gives you the context as to what's been happening for each individual news release or economic release. And if you scroll down, it even gives you a definition of what it is. And that's really cool. But even further than that, if you guys head over here to current countries, you can actually click on any one of these individual countries here. Let's say we clicked on the United States, and you actually get all of the current economic standings of this individual country. And that's really cool contextually, right? And so that's awesome. And it's a lot more than that too. You get a tremendous amount of data from just general markets, GDP, labor. I love coming down here and looking at housing data. We look at this a lot inside of our Smart Money chat room because, you know, obviously one of the leading indicators that are recession or markets are kind of in turmoil is looking at new home sales. And if we go take a look at new home sales, you'll see that it's actually kind of declining a bit, which is somewhat nerve-wracking, right? But in general, you get very good context as to what's happening in each individual country, unlike Forex Factory. I would just really encourage you guys to go head over to Trading Economics and go take a look. There's a lot more than what I just mentioned right here, but when it comes to looking at macro markets, there is a lot going on. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you guys want a little more context as to how to use these fundamentals in your day-to-day trading, then check out the Smart Money chat room. The link for that will be in the bio, and I put the link for Trading Economics in the bio there as well, so you guys can just go ahead and click it. All right, so guys, trade safe. Make sure you know what's happening fundamentally in markets. I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, peace out.